Hello friends, today we're going to make some end grain hardwood chaotic pattern coasters. Stay tuned. Alright, here we are. I'm not going to talk throughout this entire thing, just a little bit at the beginning. That box has been accumulating scrap wood for years, and I'm very pleased to finally be doing something with it. Essentially, for this project, I took out the nicer pieces of wood that kind of looked like blanks you can make a pen with, and then I made sure I had good faces and good ends, glued them all together, made sure they were each about the same width, and then I glued all of those, let's call them wider boards together to make a loaf. The loaf then, I made some walnut exterior. I cut that, glued it back on, cut some 45-degree angles to make it exciting, and then I cut those pieces on the chop saw, and in the end I coated it with shellac and paste wax, my usual kind of finish, and it turned out just lovely. If you've made this kind of a scrap wood project before, or coasters, let me know in the comments section. I love looking at what other people have done. Thanks for watching. I thought these turned out really well. They're super cool looking. I love how they feel. I love how they look. This was one out of 3 projects in a scrap wood kick I was on. You can check out the other 2 right here. And until next time, bye.